Introducing the iGoSmart-Pro family of mounts and accessories, perfect for a number of automotive applications. The iGoSmart-Pro suction mount securely mounts to glossy and matte finishes on both flat and slightly curved surfaces. It includes features to mount a number of different products and accessories. The ball head and extension arms allow for maximum flexibility, so you can configure and customize iGoSmart-Pro to fit your needs. The suction mount and extension arms are strong enough to securely hold most DSLR cameras at virtually any angle. The thread adapter and mounting holes provide a secure mounting point for the iGoSmart-Pro GoPro mounting arm, allowing you to securely attach up to 2 GoPro action cameras or accessories to the suction mount's base. The iGoSmart-Pro suction mount and extension arms are built to last and perform. Its strong and lightweight magnesium alloy construction will hold up to the toughest of jobs. Whether you're just using the suction mount or the suction mount and ring pad, iGoSmart-Pro strongly attaches without damaging paint or finishes. The suction mount is strong enough to pull this 3,000-pound German sports car with ease. And when it's removed, the paintwork is untouched. The iGoSmart-Pro suction mount is so strong it was able to pull this 3-ton SUV both with and without the ring pad. Attach the iGoSmart-Pro car mount to the extension arms and you'll always have your smartphone right at your fingertips. Thanks to the adjustability of the extension arms, iGoSmart-Pro will fit the windshield or dashboard of virtually any vehicle. With 6 incredibly strong neodymium magnets, your device will remain attached even over rough terrain, all without interfering with your smartphone's internal components. The iGoSmart-Pro sun visor clip is another easy and convenient way to keep your smartphone close and hands-free for phone calls. It easily slides onto your vehicle's sun visor and uses the iGoSmart-Pro car mount to securely hold your smartphone so you can focus on the road. The sun visor clip is perfect for making important calls when you're on the go, keeping your phone at the optimal distance while you drive. iGoSmart-Pro also offers a convenient and strong air vent mount for your smartphone. Its proprietary double locking system means the iGoSmart-Pro air vent mount stays securely in place on compatible air vents. The magnetic phone mount uses powerful neodymium magnets and strong nano suction foam to keep your device firmly in place at all times. Whether you're always on the move, casually driving, or capturing the perfect shot, the iGoSmart-Pro family of automotive mounting accessories is there to get the job done. So wherever you go, go with iGoSmart-Pro.